Hello everyone and welcome to Luang Prabang, the ancient capital of Luang Prabang province in the northern Laos. It lies in the valleys where two rivers, Mekong and Namkhan meet. There are many places to visit in Laos. Some beautiful hills, green padded fields, Buddhist temple, night market and many villages. But we are here to visit one of the Asia's most beautiful waterfalls, Kuang Si Waterfall. If you are new to our channel, be sure and subscribe because we will be showing you how to travel different countries in budget. Welcome to Laos. After Hanoi in Vietnam, we took bus to Laos. One of our longest bus journey we have ever traveled. It was around 750 kilometers and approx 24 hours journey. This cost us 43 USD per person. If you missed our Vietnam vlog, do watch them. We had an amazing Vietnam trip in budget. We started 7 p.m. from Hanoi, Vietnam. Next day, early morning 6 a.m. we reached Cao Trio checkpoint, the border crossing between Vietnam and Vientiane. If you are holding an Indian passport, there is a visa on arrival option, but your passport must have at least 6 months validity. After entering Laos, we reached Luang Prabang around 11 pm. So overall, it was 28 hours bus journey. To know more on our bus journey and how we booked tickets, do check our description box. As we reached very late, we checked in our hotel and rested. Hi, good morning from Laos. So yesterday we arrived very late and today we have just one day to explore in Laos. So we'll let you know and we'll show you what are the things you can do in one day when you are in Laos. So we've rented this motorbike from our hotel itself. The price is $7 for one day. I know it sounds a little expensive, but we were very tired to go around and search, so we just thought of ordering directly from our hotel. So 7 USD for this baby for one day. Our plan was to visit Kuang Si waterfalls. This was approx 28 kilometers from our hotel. So we've reached the Kuang Si waterfall. The entrance fee for Kuang Si waterfall is 20,000 KIP, that is in the Laos currency, or it is you can approximately it's around 3 SGD or 2.5 USD. So let's explore. Meet the bears. Okay. On your way to waterfall, there is a Tat Kuang Si Bear Rescue Center, where you will find bears swinging and playing, which will definitely make you happy, as these bears were rescued from poachers who were looking to harvest their parts. Oh my god, this is lovely. As you trek further, this waterfall actually beautifies and gets better and better. Like, wow! Oh, so beautiful! Look at this, guys. As I said previously, as you trek further, the waterfall gets more beautiful. And we are coming soon to swim. waterfalls. The most beautiful waterfalls I have ever seen. It is also known as Tat Quang Sea Waterfall. This is a three-tiered waterfall about 29 kilometers south of Luang Prabang. This is one of the favorite spots for tourists. It consists of limestone tiered pools below, in which large cascade of turquoise blue water falls from a thick jungle above. After this, we started heading back to our hotel. So on the way we decided to stop by at this restaurant, just check out the view. Here we did fly our drone and captured this beautiful view. After this, we reached our hotel and had dinner in nearby food stall and rested. Next day morning, we had a flight back to Singapore. So guys, if you're staying near Lego Hotel or you're traveling to Quang-Si Waterfalls through this way, you can stop by here for your breakfast and lunch. It is very good. The food is very homely and freshly prepared, and the taste is amazing. So one landmark you can remember is that it is just opposite to the Miniso Japan store. So you guys at least know, and trust me, the taste is really good. So we really liked it, and we came here for lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything. So it's kind of cool and it's hygienic. And that ends our Laos vlog. We had a great time in Laos. Though our bus journey was hectic, but after watching this beautiful waterfall, it was totally worth it. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button. And if you want to continue watching our journey to other countries, be sure and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so that you are notified when the next video is posted. If you're watching this video on Facebook, do like our Facebook page. Also follow us on Instagram for more updates. Thank you for watching our Laos vlog. We will see you in the next country or other vlogs. Bye! So this is the hotel that we were staying in.
Laos. And this is our ride to the airport. Look who's inside already. Meet the bears. Okay. Hi. Oops, he got up.